Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the most addictive Korean banchan, Mayak Eggs, which literally translates to drug eggs. They are that good. These delicious soy marinated eggs are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more. These soft jammy eggs are packed with umami flavors and have a hint of spice. They're perfect over rice, toast, or even by themselves as a savory snack. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 6 large eggs, 1/4 of a yellow onion, half a cup of honey, half a cup of soy sauce, 4 garlic cloves, 1 serrano pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 Korean red pepper, and 2 green onion stalks. First, bring a pot of water to a boil. I like adding some vinegar and salt to make the shells easier to peel. Then, gently add your eggs to the pot with a spoon to avoid cracking. If using cold eggs from the refrigerator, set a timer for 7 minutes. If using room temperature eggs, set a timer for 6 minutes. After the timer is up, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath and let them chill for 10 minutes before we peel them. While the eggs are cooling, we'll make the marinade. Combine soy sauce, water, honey, yellow onion, green onion, red pepper, serrano, pepper, garlic, and toasted sesame seeds. This marinade is savory, sweet, and slightly tangy, and completely addicting. Now we can gently peel the eggs. Softly place the eggs into an airtight container. Use a container that allows the eggs to be fully submerged. We will marinate these in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight for the best flavor. Serve these eggs over rice, drizzled with some of the soy marinade. Look at that perfect jammy yolk. Each bite is salty, sweet, garlicky with the perfect kick of spice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments your favorite way to eat these.